Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Standard English Version School, Day-Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class of biology for class 9 student. Dear students, take your textbook in your hand and open chapter 1. The name of the chapter 1 is Lessons on Life, and follow the class with your textbook. So dear students, let's start for our today's topic. Chapter 1, name of the chapter is Lessons on Life. If you observe this picture, there is various kinds of virus and bacteria in the picture. In flourishing human civilization, the production of food, development of medical science, and the production of existence of all living beings in adverse condition are the challenges of the present century. The role of biology is indispensable in this regard. In this chapter, the definition of biology, names of its branches, and naming system of organism are discussed. Dear students, today we will just discuss about the concept of biology and the branches of biology. So, go to the page number 3, the concept of biology. In nature, we generally find two types of objects, non-living things and living organisms. The characteristics of non-living things are usually discussed in physics and chemistry. Biology is the branch of scientific knowledge concerning life and characteristics of organism. Dear students, this is the definition of biology. Underline this line. But it is really difficult to find the very faint line of difference between living and non-living. In fact, physics and chemistry embody the principles of fundamentals of life, even the non-living. So, in order to understand living organism, it is necessary to know about the physical science, that is physics and chemistry. But it is wrong to think that it is not necessary to study biology. If we have knowledge of physical science, rather life may be considered a complex combination of many non-living things in which some new characteristics occur. For example, the properties of water do not resemble that of hydrogen and oxygen, though it is made up of these two elements. So, although living organisms are constituted of a specific combination of non-living things, new properties originated in them that do not always resemble that of their non-living components. Biology is one of the fundamental branches of science. The term biology is derived from Greek words bios meaning life and logos meaning knowledge. So, the biology means the knowledge which belongs to life. Underline this portion. This portion is too much important for your MCQ. As biology plays an important role in agriculture and medicine, from the beginning of civilization it was practiced in different regions including Greece, Egypt, Middle East, India and China. However, this practice cannot be considered as science in terms of modern science, but it was necessary then to flourish this branch of knowledge. Now we will discuss about the branch of knowledge. When we look around us, we see two types of living things, plants and animals. Based on this, for a long time biology was divided into two branches, botany and zoology. However, the field of biology has expanded so much that it is not enough to confine its study of these two branches only. There are many living, come to the next page, page number 4, being which are neither plants nor animals such as bacteria, fungi. That about the microbial world we have already learned in our class 7 science book. The classification is not appropriate when analyzing common characteristics of animals, plants, bacteria, fungi, viruses, etc. So now also biology has been classified into many branches. Considering its aspect, there are also two other divisions of biology: physical biology and applied biology. First, we will discuss about the branches of physical biology. First one morphology, second one taxonomy, third one physiology, fourth one histology, fifth one embryology, sixth one cytology, seventh one genetics, eighth one evolution, ninth one ecology, tenth one endocrinology, and last one is biogeography. Now, in the field of physical biology, theoretical concepts are usually discussed. The following subjects are the general fields of its concern. The morphology, this deals with the form of the structure of organism. It is usually divided into two branches: external and internal morphology. The external description of the body is called external morphology, and internal description of the body is called internal morphology. Now come to the taxonomy. Classification of organism and related principles are discussed in this branch. Third one, physiology. This branch of biology deals with biochemical activities of different organs of organisms such as respiration, excretion, photosynthesis, etc. Detailed description of all the physiological process of organism is found in it. Next one is histology. The microscopic structure, arrangement and function of plant and animal tissues are studied in this subject. Next one is embryology, the branch of biology that discussed the origin of gametes, the origin of embryo of fertilized egg, the development of embryo, their structure, growth and development. Now come to the next one, that is cytology. The structure, function and division of an individual cell in a body of organism is studied in this branch of biology. Next one is genetics. This branch of biology deals with gene and heredity. Next one is evolution. The gradual development of life and organism over successive generation on the earth is situated in this subject. Studied in this subject. Now come to the ecology. It is the science of the reciprocal relationship between organism and their environment. Now come to the endocrinology, the field of science that deals with the study of endocrine gland and hormones secreted by them. Now come to the next page, page number 5, that is biogeography, the branch of biology that studies the geographical distribution of organism and their evolution. Then next part is applied biology. The knowledge of biology applied which field is called applied biology. Applied subject related to life are included in this category, and some of them are mentioned below. First one is paleontology, science and prehistoric life form and fossil. Then second one is biostatics, science and statics of organism. Then third one is parasitology, science related to parasitism, life process of parasitic organism and diseases caused by them. Fourth one is fisheries, science dealing with fish, harvesting of fish, management and conservation of fish assets. Fifth one is entomology, science related to the study of life, merit, demerit and control of insects, including the damage caused by them. Now next one, microbiology, science related to virus, bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms. Seventh one is agriculture, science concerning agriculture. The next one is medical science, science related to human body diseases, treatment, etc. Next one is genetic engineering, science associated with gene technology and its uses. Then next one is biochemistry, science concerned to the biochemical process and diseases of organism. Next one is environmental science, science related to the environment. Next one is marine biology, science related to marine living being. And next one is forestry, science related to forest management and conservation of its resources. Then biotechnology, science associated with the technology of uses of organism for the benefit of mankind. Then pharmacy, science dealing with the technology and industry of medicine. Next one is wildlife, then science related to the wild animal. Now last one is bioinformatics, biological information based on computer technology, for example information on the analysis of cancer. Dear students, this chapter is the basic information of biology. So read the chapter properly. This chapter is too much important for your MCQ, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.